Help me! Help me! I'm stuck in an acorn. It's a giant candy jar. A giant Gila monster. What do you get when you stick a pet lizard on a miniature set and let it walk all over everything? The giant Gila monster. Yes, this film features a real monitor lizard. It is made monstrous by close-up shots and miniature sets. While the giant Gila monster seems kind of lazy and doesn't even show up on camera all that much, the story is a fun one with a neat look with old hot rods, fashion, and music from the 1950s. As a bonus, the lead actor is actually a pretty good singer. The storyline contains some effective interpersonal drama that is well acted. Combined with good picture and sound quality, this is a fun one that is worth watching. 1 thumb up. No, not up there. Oh no, he's coming to get me. The giant Gila monster.